S.C. Pandey, PGT Biology from Tagore Public School, Surajgarh. As I have discussed already about the male and female gamete of human as sperm and ovum. Today I will discuss about the development of embryo and embryonic stage, including the zygote. As first stage is zygote, then morula, after this blastocyst, and next one gastrula. So for such stages of the topic embryonic development, today I will discuss. First of all, after the gametic fusion, I mean to say after fertilization, single cell structure develop, which is called zygote. Zygote, which generally surrounded by the zona pellucida present, and large size nucleus present in the zygote. This is the diploid cell given by 2n. So zygote, which is first cell of embryonic development in the human, which develop as a result of fusion of sperm with the ovum. Ovum means ooted or female gamete. So fusion of male gamete and female gamete in the oviduct result internal fertilization take place, which develop single cell structure called zygote. I mean to say zygote is the first cell of embryonic development, which has single large size nucleus and surrounded by the zona pellucida, which is acellular structure. Later on, this zygote start dividing. As the division of the zygote is equal, then production of two blastomeres take place. Two blastomeres produces by the zygote. Here, a special type of division take place, which is called mitosis. But in this case of equal division of the zygote, generally it is found that increase of number of cells increases, but no increase of the size of the embryo. It means the number of cells increases, but size about to the zygote like. After this, after two blastomere formation, once again division occur, then four blastomeres produces, which are also surrounded by the zona pellucida. Now it is four blastomeres stage of embryo. Here blastomeres are the cells found in the embryo in the human. After this, four cells divide, but same size is found, although number of cells become 8. And these cells are, due to the pressure on one another, are flattened structure. Sometimes it look like the sitaphal, a type of fruit structure, ball-like structure, which again divides and produces 16 cells, ball-like solid form of embryo. These 8 cells cells stages are called as Marula stage. So Marula stage is second stage after zygote. Marula stage is second stage after zygote. As zygote is single cell, Marula 8 to 16 cells. Zygote is one cell structure. These are differences between the embryonic stages during the course of development. Marula, which is ball-like, solid form and contain the cells, 8 cells or 16 cells. It appears like Sitaphal. After 4 days, I mean to say after 94 hours, then a cavity, fluid-filled cavity develop between the micromeres and megameres. Megameres means large size cells. Megameres, which makes the mass of cells generally present as inner side, that is why it is called as inner cell mass. Inner cell mass. And the micromere means small size cells, which makes a single layer which is called as trophoblast. It is called trophoblast. Trophoblast generally a single layer and the blastocele present between the trophoblast and inner cell mass. This is blastocele. Presence of blastocele is the peculiar character of blastocyst stage. Blastocyst stage, which has 32 cells structure, blastocyst. Generally, blastocyst also called as blastula stage. So, blastocyst stage are of 32 cells stage. This 32 cells stage blastocyst, which develop after 94 hours. Then this blastocyst, which generally present in the uterine cavity, which attach with the innermost wall of uterus, which is called endometrium. Attachment of blastocyst with endometrium called implantation. This blastocyst, when attached with the endometrium, it produces 3 germinal layers. Blastocyst changes in 3 germinal layer form and formation of or development of 3 germinal layer from the blastocyst. This is called as gastrulation. In the development of gastrula stage, which has 3 germinal layers. These 3 germinal layers present in the gastrula stage, which is 4th stage of the embryonic development, which has three germinal layers. As outermost layer is called as ectoderm, which is protective in the nature, and it is many layers, as cells are rectangular in shape and present in the linear fashion in the spherical shape. After this, next layer is known as mesoderm layer. Mesoderm layer, which generally present in the coelomic type of animal. This coelomic type of animal, which has generally developed mesoderm, and this mesoderm is the part as it developed in between the ectoderm and endoderm. Endoderm, which generally make the innermost layer. Endoderm makes the innermost layer of the three germinal layers, as in case of gastrula stage. This ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm present one by one from outer side to the inner side. Here present of the yolk sac. This is the yolk sac, and at a side there is present of the remains of or vestigial part of blastocyst. This is the vestigial part of blastocyst, which shows that the development of gastrula stage occur by the blastula stage or blastocyst stage, and this blastocyst development is called as blastulation. It is called as blastulation. Development of gastrula stage occur by the gastrulation. Likewise, development of marula stage occur by the marulation. Here, during the development, as the single cell zygote, which generally surrounded by the acellular zona pellucida having large size nucleus in it, called zygote, which is diploid cell, which develop or produces after the internal fertilization has completed in the fallopian tube. Fallopian tube, isthmus ampulla junction, internal fertilization occur in the human female. As a result of internal fertilization, single cell develop called zygote. So, zygote is the first cell of embryonic development in the human, as shown here. This is the first stage of embryonic development, which is one cell structure. Later on, this zygote cell, after few hours, start dividing. Then, zygote cell first division is longitudinal and equal type. Due to equal and longitudinal division, zygote cell produces two cells structure which is surrounded by the zona pellucida known as two blastomeres stage. After this two blastomere stage again divides and produces 4 cells embryo which is called as 4 blastomeres. But in the second division from 2 blastomeres, next division is perpendicular to the first division. This is the peculiar property of the embryonic development in the human. So, continue division of the 4 blastomeres by the mitosis and special cleavage division in which the no increase of the size of the embryo but number of cells increases in the embryonic stage. As repeated division, 4 blastomeres produces 8 cells, and these 8 cells are arranged in such a way it shows the appearance of a ball-like structure, solid form, and it look like the Sitaphal. Here, once again, division of 8 cells produces 16 cells, and these 16 cells are also spherical in the shape, and this spherical shape 16 cells stage and 8 cells stage both are called as Marula stage. Marula stage development is called as marulation. After Marula stage, then there is a separation of small size micromeres and large size macromeres. Between these two type of cells present of blastocele. Here blastocele is present in the form of a cavity. Blastocele present in the form of a cavity. The micromeres are arranged in the layer form as outer layer. This is called as trophoblast, which is single layer of cells. Megameres are large size of cells which arrange in the form of inner cell mass. In the future, this inner cell mass which develop the embryo. In the future, inner cell mass develop the embryo, and trophoblast which generally takes part in the development or formation of placenta. Placenta are the nutritive part for embryo, because placenta which provide the nourishment, provide oxygen and takes the waste product from the embryo. Placenta which is formed as a result of interdigitation of trophoblast and endometrium wall. Endometrium and trophoblast, which makes the chorionic villi. Chorionic villi, ridge and furrow form structure. Then, as a result of development of chorionic villi, then placenta formation take place. But between the trophoblast and the inner cell mass, there is presence of blastocele. This blastocele, a type of cavity which is characters of blastocyst stage, and this blastocele development occur as a result of blastulation. This blastocele, which generally develop the archenteron in the future. This blastocele develop the archenteron in the gastrula stage in the future. This is the archenteron which is found in the gastrula stage. In the gastrula stage, generally it is found that the gastrula has three germinal layers, and these three germinal layers are given by the name as ectoderm. Ectoderm is present outermost part. Here, next one is mesoderm, which is present in the middle of endoderm and ectoderm. Endoderm is innermost layer, as outermost layer is ectoderm and innermost layer is endoderm. Between two, middle layer is present, and this middle layer is called as mesoderm. So ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderms are considered as three germinal layers which develop as a result of gastrulation, and this is called as gastrula stage. Gastrula stage also contain the yolk sac which has the yolk in it. So yolk sac contain yolk and present of vestigial part of blastocyst here as a corner. So this is the embryonic development in human. Embryonic development in human, it is the main topic, and subtopic are, these are the subtopics like first, zygote. About zygote, I have told you that zygote is single cell structure, and second one, zygote is first cell of the embryo in the human, and third important point is zygote develop as a result of male and female gamete fusion in the fallopian tube at the junction of isthmus ampulla part. Zygote contain single large size nucleus and surrounded by the zona pellucida acellular structure. after zygote, after few hours, then division of zygote occurs, and this special type of division is called as cleavage division. A special type of division is called as cleavage division. What is means of cleavage division? This is the question. Cleavage division, a type of division in which the number of cells increases, like from 1 cell to 2 cells, from 2 cells to 4 cells, from 4 cells to 8 cells, from 8 cells to 16 cells. Means like in case of mitosis division, like in case of mitosis cell division, generally the number of cells increases twice after each division. So, two blastomeres which produces after the one longitudinal division of the zygote cell. These two blastomeres also surrounded by the zona pellucida. Later on, as one second division take place perpendicular to the first, like these are the longitudinal division. Then after this perpendicular as right angle to this, the division shows the total of 4 cells. 4 cells are 4 blastomeres here, which are also surrounded by the zona pellucida. After this, there are the division occur which produces the 8 cells, and 8 cells divide. Now it produces 16 cells, ball-like spherical body, and this ball-like spherical body of 8 cells and 16 cells, embryonic stage called as marula stage, and development of marula stage is called marulation. After this, after marulation, then after 94 hours or after 4 days, then the blastulation occur. As a result of blastulation, blastocyst stage develop. This blastocyst stage contains 32 cells. Blastocyst stage contains 32 cells, and 32 cells stage is called blastocyst stage. In 32 cell stage, the micromeres produces trophoblast, a single layer of cells. As trophoblast which surround the megameres are large size of cells called as inner cell mass. This inner cell mass later on in the future it develop the embryo in the mother womb. After implantation with the endometrium wall, during the implantation, trophoblast and endometrium wall of uterus, both as a result of interdigitation, they produces a type of structure which has chorionic villi, which has rich and furroform structure called placenta. This placenta is called as nutritive part for embryo. Why placenta is called a nutritive part? Because this placenta provide oxygen to embryo, and placenta also provide the nourishment to embryo. Placenta also takes the waste product of embryo. Waste product of embryo also taken by the placenta. In this way, inner cell mass develop embryo and trophoblast develop placenta, but between them blastocele present, which in future develop in the form of archenteron in the gastrula stage. Gastrula stage development occur by the gastrulation, and gastrulation result gastrula stage development, which has three germinal layers. These germinal layers are as ectoderms, outermost layer, mesoderm, middle layer, endoderm, innermost layer. There are presence of yolk sac which contain yolk, and vestigial part of blastocyst also present in the gastrula stage. So this is the total explanation about the embryonic development in human, in which the starting cleavage division occur, which is a type of mitosis division. So please like, share and subscribe my channel Super Classes. Thank you.